Hello, this is a video explanation for Monday, December 7th. You'll want to come down to this folder, Unit 4 at Peak Performance. Here we are, December 7th through 11th, Module 12. This week is all about conflict resolution. So you come here, come to day 1, Monday. Let's start with the sync. This is for the Zoom session. So today in our Zoom session, we will do page 68, part 1 of our textbook. That is a preparation for the reading assignment for today's async. Okay, so sync, we are preparing to read, and async, we are reading and doing an assignment based on the text. Also in the Zoom session, we will practice speaking to express purpose, reason, and contrast. And we will practice using would you mind in conversation. So here's the textbook activity I talked about. We'll do part 1 here and we'll look at these vocabulary words. Also, we'll learn a little bit about would you mind. We'll watch this video and kind of learn how the phrase works in our grammar. And then we will practice these 5 sentences in groups. Then more speaking practice, we'll talk about in order to and to. Okay, so we will answer these 5 questions using to and in order to. And then finally, we will work on this writing activity. We're going to create sentences using these words. And we can use these purpose, reason, and contrast words to help us write these sentences. So for example, the first one will use flight and weather in the same sentence. It will be a purpose sentence, so we can use these purpose words. Okay, we'll write something about a flight and the weather and combine it with in order to, or so that, to make it a sentence about a purpose. And we'll do the same here for number 2. We use English, live in Washington, DC, and make it a reason sentence, which means use one of these 3 words here, but only one. We don't need to use more than one. Okay, so that's it for the sync today. Looking at the async activities, we have a Nearpod that talks to us about would you mind and how we use it. So just a quick preview of the Nearpod. So would you mind? It explains, and then you have an opportunity to answer some questions. Here's a video. Okay, a lot of really helpful information, so please make sure to read the entire slide deck. And then also here's our textbook activity, page 68 through 69. We will do 2B on 69, excuse me, on 68, and 3A and B on 69. So let me fix that because I wrote that wrong. 2B on 68, there we go, and 3A and B on 69. And then when you're finished, you will take a picture of your work and put it in the comments section. Here's an audio if you'd rather listen to the article, and here is the written text. Okay, and then here's the rest of it. Here is the part for 68, and here's 3A and B on 69, and you'll put your work in the comments section. So that is it for Monday, December 7th. Good luck.